Product cycle model. This model is an extension of the technology gap model, which was developed by Posner. This model, which is developed by Barnon in the year 1966, tries to explain those two questions which was raised against technology gap model. The first question is how or why does technology gap arise, and the second question is how they are eliminated over time. We have already seen in Posner model that how gap in technology can cause export to rise. I mean, even if nations have similar kind of factor endowments, taste and preference, still there is possibility of gainful trade provided there is technology gap. So the nation which will come up with new technology, will innovate new products, will have an edge over other nations to export goods and services. However, innovation itself, one-time innovation is not a license to export for lifetime. That you have to remember, because Posner has very beautifully explained why there is a need to continuous development of new product, continuous innovation of new product, continuous updation of new product, because as he has explained, over time the technology developed by first country will be imitated by other nations, other importing nations. So and over time the first country will not have this comparative advantage over goods. Once the imitating country completely innovate the product and starts producing the goods domestically, the imitating country will not feel the need to import goods from the innovating country. So at that time there is a need for the innovating country to come up with even further addition or more updated version of the new product, or even go with a whole new product itself. So the innovation is key. But though Posner has beautifully explained how innovation can be a cause of international trade, but he did not clearly explain why those technology gap arise, why it is so that some nations, you can call them developed nations, always come up with new products. What is there in developed nation? First question. And the second question is how this technology gap eliminate over time, disappear over time. Okay. So Barnon in his model has tried to answer these two questions.